graduating, I've been working with the Duke Center for AIDS Research, doing HIV vaccine trials, and recently I've been doing COVID vaccine trials. I thought I wanted to maybe go to PA school, but after my first research class, I fell in love with research. I fell in love with public health. I fell in love with the HIV virus altogether. So I am exactly where I want to be for right now. I am a problem solver. I love having questions that I can find the answer to, and I love a challenge. So HIV is one of the biggest questions in the immunology world, and being able to help with answering that question just gives me a sense of purpose. My strengths make sense with research. I know one of them was learner, and in research I'm always learning new things. I've been at this lab for almost 2 years, and I learn something new every single day. My academic experience at Meredith was awesome. The biology department has a great team of professors that really work with you to help you find your best path and be an employable person. I would say to really take advantage of StrongPoints and work with the StrongPoints advisors to really find what makes sense with your collection of strengths. I thought I wanted to be a doctor based off of my strengths. That doesn't really make sense for me, but research really falls in line with my strengths, and I am happier than I ever thought I could be.